Hi there and welcome to another video from Faraz Maths. It's Mr. Faraz Hassan here, and in this video we are dealing with titration. So what is titration and why titration wasn't taught in school? That's our today's topic. So if you have never seen a number like this before, you're not alone. These numbers are incredibly large, even if they are written using small digits. This concept is called titration. It's different from exponentiation, where the exponent is written on the right side of the base number. Let me show you what I mean. So suppose if we take 10 square, it means 10 multiplied by itself twice, which equals what? 100. Now imagine increasing the power from 2 to 3. So what will it be? 10 power 3 means 10 times 10 times 10, which is equals to 1000. To put this into perspective, imagine your pay last month was $100 and this month it is $1000. That's a significant increase. Now if we go further and increase the power to 4, 10 power 4 equals 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 means 10,000. So the increase from 1000 to 10,000 is even more substantial. So exponentiation involves repeated multiplication. For example, 2 cube, that means 2 times 2 times 2, which is equals to what? 8. This is still a relatively small number because the base is small. However, when the base is large, increasing the exponents results in much larger number. Now let's explore titration. Now consider the notation here, this one. This is different from 2 cube, okay? They both are not equal to each other. So when the exponent is not on the right but on the left, it indicates a much larger operation. For example, 10 titrated to 3, we can write it as this, is not the same as 10 cube, is not the same as 10 cube. We know that 10 cube means 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1000. So 10 titrated to 3 means 10 raised to the power of 10 raised to the power of 10, like this. This results in an astronomical number. So what is it? It is 10 titrated to 3, and this is going to be equal to, so what we have to do, we have to solve this thing first. So if you solve 10 to the power of 10, what it means? 1 followed by 10 zeros. So you can count the zeros here. We have 10 zeros. 1 followed by 10 zeros. And this is 10 billion. 10 billion also. Imagine this 10 raised to the power of 10 billion. 10 raised to the power of 10 billion is a number so vast, it surpasses the total number of atoms in the known universe. To put it in perspective, if you attempted to write out this number by hand, you would exhaust your lifetime before finishing it. It's that enormous. So this concept is so overwhelming that it's really taught in schools because the sheer magnitude of these numbers quickly spirals out of control. Now based on this mind-blowing idea, I want you to consider a new challenge. What do you think 2 titrated to 3 looks like? The hint here is, remember titration stacks exponent from the top. Dive into this mathematical adventure and don't stop learning. See you in the next video and keep your curiosity alive. So if you know the answer of this, write down the answer in the comment section and then I'll check if it is correct or wrong. So that's it for this video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.